And we are back. Howzit TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Today we're going to be talking about the TOZO Agile Dots True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. The TOZO Agile Dots True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. A member of this family recommended that we do this video. You know who you are. Thank you for the recommendation. I appreciate you. I also want to use this opportunity to apologize to you guys, okay? Now, when this recommendation was made a while back, I thought it was just not true. What kind of a name is TOZO, right? I've not heard of this name before. That is where I dropped the ball, all right? So I did my research and there it was, TOZO. I was so surprised. They've got smartwatches, they've got over-ear headphones, they've got open-ear headphones, they've got earbuds, they've got lots of other devices that we are going to be reviewing over time. But yeah, let's start with this one and let's talk specs, okay? It does boast of an ultra lightweight design, one-time charge on the go, 5.5 hours for the first use or for the one-time use, and 22 hours with the charging case. A sweat-proof IPX5. Bluetooth 5.3, extra silicone ear tips, and a host of other stuff, okay? We're going to take this time to look through the manual when you do pop this open, but let us pop this open right now and see exactly what it looks like. Let's go. Alright, when you pop it open, this is what you get. USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, different sizes from extra small to extra large. There you go. And the TOZO Agile Dots charging case. I like this. Okay, first of all, just looking at the case, is pull shaped. That is very nice. It has a matte finish, so no fingerprint magnet. You know how I feel about fingerprint magnet on this, right? Yeah. Just along the outside, we've got some charge indicator right there. Maybe if we pop it open, we'll see the lights come on. Yeah, no, it did not. All right, a charge indicator is right there. You can't miss it. And at the back, USB Type-C charging port. Nice, with the TOZO name written just on top of it. Okay, doesn't look extraordinary, nothing exceptional. Let's pop this open and let's see what we got. Nice. All right, let's take it out of the case and see what it looks like. Oh, this is nice. All right. Okay, let's just take this out quickly. This little. All right, this is nice. Okay, it doesn't look exceptional. It doesn't look very different from other earbuds. The same inner ear design shape, so which is cool. It is shaped to design the design of the inner ear. This is cool. Now, right here we've got the charging plate. It's a little bit dug in. I'm not sure if you can see from this angle, but from my angle here, it looks a little bit dug in. Let's hope that doesn't become a problem when it comes to charging. Yeah, but we've got the TOZO right here, and this is the touch control, and we've got indicator light over there. All right. Oof. The silicone ear tips are so soft and very soft. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's look at what the other one looks like. Probably the same. Indicator light, touch control, and we've got the charging plates. This is the left. Soft ear tips. Okay. Yeah, like I said, nothing extraordinary, nothing that jumps out that we've not seen something similar before when it comes to design. But yeah, looks really nice. I like it. Okay, all right. In here we've got more specs for you right there, and we've got the charge pins right there, left and right. You know, the usual things you'll find in a charge case. That's cool. And the price on this one is 499 rands, which translates as 29 US dollars. Okay, and this was released in March 2023. So the TOZO Agile Dots was released into the market March 2023. Okay, let's do a fit test. Let's see exactly how it fits. Wow, Look at that. Just take a look at that. Look at that. It is a perfect fit. It feels like someone took a mold of my inner ear and gave it a TOZO and they made this. Wow. It is so comfortable. It is a perfect fit. It is not invasive. It doesn't feel like it's trying to poke into my ear. There's no pain at all. I could run with this. I could do anything with this. Wow. It is so comfortable. Now that is what you want the earbud. Some earbuds you put them on after some time, you start feeling pressure on the sides of your earlobes, or maybe you put them in your ear and it's feeling very invasive, like it's trying to get into your brain or something. But no, not this one. This one is very comfortable. It's not all the way in your ear. There's no pressure around your earlobes here. It's a perfect fit. Wow, I like this. Super comfortable. Alright, let us pair these, okay? See how easy it is to do. First of all, don't doubt the process. Just follow the process. Put it back in the case. And we are just going to open the lid and see if maybe that'll connect. Let's see. Alright, it doesn't connect. So let's take it out of the earbuds. Let's just follow the process. It's easy. Just out of the earbuds and let us scan for it and see if we can find it. There we go, TOZO Agile Dots. Let's pair. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Less than 10 seconds. Just follow the process, guys. Trust the process. Very simple, very easy. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go over to the app and let us see what functions the app provides for us to be able to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful device. Yes? Let's go. All right. To use the app, first of all, go to your Play Store. The good thing about this app is it's everywhere, man. You can find it on your Play Store, on your Apple Play Store. You can find it on your Google Play. You can also even get it on your browser and your computer. All you gotta do is just go to your store, your Play Store, App Store, wherever, and download it. Or you can just go to the back of the manual and scan the QR codes. Scan the QR codes and it'll take you to where you can download the app. I've taken the liberty of downloading the app myself, and let's just set it up and see. I'm gonna skip the registering part of this for now, and let's just get into it. All right, I'm gonna authorize this. There we go. Okay, now add a device. Come on, let's set this up quickly. Come on. There we go. The TOZO Agile Dots is picked it up. Very easy to compare. Very easy to connect. So all you gotta do, first of all, after you put on the app, it'll ask you to give permissions to it, to make the Bluetooth connections and all that stuff. And here is what the app looks like. Let's go to My TOZO. Let's see. Here is your account. If we're logged in here, we'll be fine here. Okay. Now, equalizer settings. Oh, we gotta really log in. Man, they're not letting. Okay, let's just get that process out of the way. It's all right.
2 very boring minutes later.
All right. Account setup. I must tell you. Just one disappointment. You cannot use this without an account. You must set up the account for you to be able to use this. And it takes quite a while to set it up, but just follow the processes. It's not so difficult. Just follow the processes. Look at the recommended ones. We've got quite a few here. We've got Crow, we've got Chels, we've got DMs, we've got Robert. I think there's some names of people here, Mark and all that stuff. I don't know where they got these EQ settings from, but wow, I would explore them later. We'll check the manual to see how many it is actually that's in here. But yeah, we've got lots of EQ settings, so lots of options. This is really cool. I think of all the earbuds I've used so far, this seems to have the most amount of options when it comes to EQ settings. This is cool. Okay, recommended EQ settings, and then this is your EQ settings you create and all that stuff. You can create your own EQ settings. That's beautiful. All right, your activity. Let's go, processing involved. All right, I will say something though, from just looking at the sound. Okay, we've got some other EQ settings here. There's some more EQ zone, the bass, classical, deep, dance, jazz, original, piano. Yeah, this is 22. Okay, I must say something though, right? From what I can see from the app, just looking through like this, just on the surface right now, I've not done a lot of in-depth look into the app, but just looking on the surface right now, it seems like it's just a whole lot of, I don't know, would I say a whole lot of nothing? A whole lot of things that we probably don't even need, because I've not seen anything that is exceptional here. Like I said, we're just looking on the surface right now. I'm gonna go through it for a while, and then I'm gonna come back here and tell you more about the EQ settings and all that stuff. All right. At least they made an app, but for me, I feel like if your app does not really solve some of the problems that you already cannot solve on the device as it is, it's not the hardware problems, the software problems. If your app can solve those ones, then maybe don't make an app. But hey, like I said, on the surface right now, I don't see much to it. I'm gonna do a deep dive before I come, and then I will come back again and tell you exactly what I think about the app. All right. After listening to this for a while, just listen to the surface, but default sound. That's what we just did. Just listen to that. Wow. Listen, I must tell you this. First of all, mind you, this is not a noise cancelling earbud. Do not take it and thinking it's going to be noise cancelling. It is not. But even at that, the sound from this is amazing. First of all, it is perfectly leveled at all volumes, high volumes, low volumes. It is leveled, no distortions. It is great. Wonderful separation of sounds. It has like a 3D effect that comes at you. Oh my god. And the bass from this thing is incredible. Your bass head, you're gonna love this. Listen, if you want good sound, and you don't want to spend a lot of money doing it, give TOZO a look up. Give this brand a look up. We are really going to be talking about a lot of TOZO products in this channel, because wow, I am amazed at this sound. Give TOZO a look up. If you don't want to spend a lot of money and you want quality sound, give TOZO a look up. You'll thank me for that. Let us summarize this all. Okay, after using it for some time, let us just summarize this all, right? In your Bluetooth connection, you get 12 meters. Anything past that, it cuts you off immediately. It does not get choppy, just cuts you off. But there's something I like also. When you come within range, it immediately reconnects. It does not give you some time to go reconnect it like other earbuds or something. It just reconnects you immediately. Like there's this immediate thing. It is very, very impressive. I like it. Touch control, very, very responsive. You don't have to, very, very, very responsive. I like it. I really like that part. Now, battery power. You get 5 hours from a single charge. Either using both earbuds or one earbud at a time, you get 5 hours for a single charge. And you get 20 hours from the charge case. So that's 5 hours, not 5.5. I got 5 hours, and I got 20 hours from the charge case. Do with that what you will. Another thing I want to say about the earbuds is the app. First of all, I think the app needs more work. Okay, there are lots of things that are missing from that app, but it's got some of the basics right, like the EQ settings. You've got a lot. You've got a variety of EQ settings that you can choose from. You've got some suggestions. You've got some basic ones that come, like the acoustic and the bass and all treble and all that stuff. Those basic ones come through. But there are also some other suggested EQ settings that you can. It's like a recommendation. There are lots of other EQ settings that are on the app that you can choose. Very, very nice. I like that. You can also make your own EQ settings, so that's another good thing. Another good thing I like is the fact that you can also change your controls for one to work your volume control. You guys know how I feel about earbuds that don't have volume controls. I can't stand them. I don't believe in 2024 they should have earbuds that do not have volume controls in them, whether it's on the device itself or in the app. It has to be volume control. Because that defeats the entire purpose of the thing. If you have your earbuds and you want to increase or decrease your volume, you have to go back to your phone or your device. That's just crazy. Nah, you should do everything from touching the earbud. So yeah, you've got that option. That's what I like. But I think the app needs a little bit more work. Just a little bit more. It's got the basics right, but it needs a little bit more work. That's what I think. Yeah. All right, let's talk call quality. Here's a mic test of the TOZO True Wireless Earbuds. Howzit TOB family, this is a mic test of the TOZO True Wireless Earbuds. This is what the mic sounds like, so you know what to expect when you're on a phone call. So, hit the comment section and tell me what you think. Let's keep it moving. What do you think? Comment section. Let me know. Now, thank you for watching the video up till the end. If you've been here till the end and you did not scroll through the video without watching it, thank you so much. If you did, go back and watch the video. Go back and watch the whole thing. If you're new on this channel, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so that when they put out a video, you get notified. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, put it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.